Hi, little Cubby Wubby. Did you hear a really loud roar come from in here? It sounded like... Phew! Yeah, like that. Wow, that gigantic roar came out of this cutesy-wootsy Linus Cub.
No way!
I see you've met Linus, your next delivery.
Linus really loves to roar, huh?
That's the problem. I'm trying to get these little nuggets to nap before their deliveries, but when they finally go to sleep... Oh, Linus keeps roaring so loud, he's frightening them all.
Maybe we could take little Linus someplace where his roaring won't upset the babies?
That would help me so much. Thanks, fellas.
Sure thing, Casey. We'll bring him back when it's time to deliver him.
Yeah.
Want to come with us? We're gonna find somewhere safe where you can roar as loud as you want.
Not in here.
Loud as you want.
Not in here.
Strawberry. Sorry.
Or here.
Definitely not here. Sorry, Mr. Woodbird.
It's okay.
What about here? How about we try outside?
I think best roar. Let her rip. It worked! Hooray! Oh, look, it's Mia. Mia, how'd you like to meet Linus?
Linus, come back!
You can't roar in there. There's Linus.
We gotta get him out of here. If he roars, he's gonna scare all the babies.
Uh-oh, too late. At least the babies stayed in their crates. Except for this one. Bye-bye, baby.
This is no good, Freddy. Somehow we have to keep Linus from roaring until